Hi guys, the last card was this one, and I said that they are feeling a little bit cursed. That was, I listened, by the universe or by the things. The word cursed, like, okay. And we have here, look at this guy, this divine masculine, he is completely tired, he is drained, he can't do anything, he just feel tired, he's tired of the situation. And at the same time we have the fool, like he wanna feel free, he wanna have this leap of faith, he wanna do this movement of breaking free, but he can't. He has no energy to do it because he is very tired of carrying a lot of things. He's feeling very, it's like somebody is holding his energy, is blocking his energy. He's feeling very drained by this person. He's going to lose a lot of things. Yeah, money, maybe not only money. Let's see a little bit more about it. Okay. The Hermit, Page of Cups. All right. So we have the Hermit. Okay, the Hermit. The Hermit. In Portuguese we say o eremita, okay? The hermit, yes. The Hermit returning here. He's not only feeling that he's cursed and that he's carrying a lot of things on his back, that maybe he understands that maybe he's passing through a karmic relationship. Now he got it, that karmita, whatever, that's holding his money, he got it. It's a karmic relationship. But the thing is, he's not only feeling cursed, but he's feeling very lonely. And he knows, or maybe he has the hope, Page of Cups, that he will find this freedom, he will break free from this situation, he will find his inner child and his inner child happiness again, this happy child that we have inside of us. He has hope, but at the same time that he has hope, Five of Cups, he knows that you are not going to wait for him forever. So my darlings, my lovely DF, Divine Feminine, that is watching this reading, your Divine Masculine, he knows very well, okay, that he needs to fight for you, that you are his fulfillment and maybe the mother of his kids, because he sees you as a good type of woman for marrying, for example. But he also knows that he can't have this right now, all this happiness, because he knows that poverty is on the corner. That is blocking him from jumping, from taking his leap of faith. But he knows that you're not going to wait for him forever. And more than this, there is a third party that doesn't want to see this happiness, that is holding his money, and maybe she knows more than he would like her to know. But he still has faith. But he's so tired, and he's feeling so tired, and at the same time, maybe he knows that this woman, look at her, she knows too much, and he doesn't want you to know what she knows, because she knows something. Ah, she knows. Yeah. Yep. There is something that is not smelling very well here. Oh, divine masculine, they are hiding. They hide from us. But spirits, I want to know, and we want to know, and the divine feminine, we want to know. Please clarify this for us, because tonight it's dawn, okay, or it's morning already. It doesn't matter. Time is just a concept. But anyway, we want to know. We want to know. We want to know. 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 So tell us, what is he hiding from us? What does she know? You know that he's so afraid he can lose money. Oh my goodness, God. Okay, so let's see. So we have in reverse 4 of Swords. My goodness, this lady in reverse, look at this. She knows something. He can lose money because of something that she knows, or because of some association that they have together. And more than this, she's willing to fight. She is willing to fight. And when I say willing to fight, oh my goodness, goosebumps. I am not saying the good fight. I am not saying the good battle. I am not saying that she's going to be fair. She's not. Very aggressive energy. Look at this. In reverse. The moon. The moon.